Whether you're taking a short drive to school or work, or going on a road trip, it's smart to be ready for the unexpected. In an emergency, having the right things in your car can help you get back on the road faster or stay safe until help arrives. Here's a top 10 list of what you should have in your emergency kit. 1. First aid supplies, including Band-Aids and hand sanitizer. 2. Non-perishable snacks such as nuts, energy bars, and bottled water. 3. A reflective blanket, like this one. It's even a good idea to stash some extra clothes and shoes in your car. 4. A flashlight with batteries, and some small tools like an adjustable wrench, pliers, and screwdrivers. And of course, a tire pressure gauge. 5. A battery-powered phone charger with batteries. 6. A list of phone numbers for people you can call in an emergency. Remember, you may not have access to your phone, so it's smart to have the numbers of your friends and family if you need to use somebody else's phone to make a call. 7. You should have some road flares like these, so that other drivers can see your vehicle if it's disabled on the side of the road. 8. Jumper cables. You'll definitely need these if your car's battery dies. 9. A small fire extinguisher. 10. A can of tire inflator and sealant, which can be used as a temporary fix to get you to the nearest tire dealer, who can perform a tire repair or replacement, should you need it. Remember to check your kit every once in a while to make sure you've got everything and that the snacks and batteries are fresh. Let's hope you never have to use this stuff, but if you do, you'll be glad that you have it. Drive safe.